Hello, welcome to Let's Speak English Easily. My name is Sage, and I'll be your teacher today. So for today, we're going to be learning the months of the year in English. There are 12 months in a year, and we're going to begin with the first month of a year, which is January. January. There is a little Y sound after the N in January. So we say January. Next, we have February. You may also hear that Y sound after the B in February. We say February. Now, you don't need to pronounce the first R. However, you may hear some say February, which you can also say. Next, we have March. March. Next, we have April. April. Now, if we notice with April, it's not April, but April. April. It's more of a lazy sound, which we call the schwa sound. It sounds fancy, right? So with the schwa sound, it goes uh, uh, and then we have an L at the end. So if we put it all together, we have the sound O. O. April. All right, so next we have May. May. Then we have June. June. And July. July. So now we have August. August. Now with August, we find our fancy schwa sound again. In the beginning, we have that short, lazy sound. There is no U sound in this word. It's not August, but August. Then we have September. September. Then we have October. October. Next, November. November. And lastly, we have December. December. So now we're going to repeat them. Starting with the first month, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, great job, everyone. So that was the months in English. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.